The world of consumer drones has been rapidly evolving over the last decade, and DJI has been the undisputed leader in setting the benchmark for what people expect from compact yet powerful aerial machines. After the success of the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the DJI Mini 4 Pro, anticipation is at an all-time high for the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. This drone is expected to be the next big leap in DJI's popular Mini series, blending ultra-portability with pro-level performance. In this video, we'll dive into every detail we know and expect, from design and build quality to camera specifications, intelligent flight features, battery performance, pricing, release timelines, and how the Mini 5 Pro might redefine the mini drone category for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. To truly understand the significance of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, we must first revisit the origins of the Mini lineup. The first DJI Mavic Mini was launched as a breakthrough in the sub-250G category. Weighing just below aviation regulatory thresholds, it allowed pilots to fly without heavy restrictions while still offering impressive video and photo quality. The Mini 2 built upon this foundation, introducing 4K video and enhanced transmission. Then came the Mini 3 Pro, a game-changer that added features previously unseen in such a compact drone, like obstacle avoidance sensors, vertical shooting for social media, and 10-bit video. The Mini 4 Pro refined the formula even further, offering 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle sensing and DJI's upgraded O4 transmission system. Now, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to push boundaries once again, merging cutting-edge imaging, flight intelligence, and portability into a single package that appeals to beginners and seasoned pilots. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is likely to follow DJI's sleek, foldable design language, ensuring portability remains its strongest asset. The drone is expected to remain under the 250G weight limit, keeping it travel-friendly and compliant with drone laws in most countries. Early leaks and design patents hint at more aerodynamic propeller arms, potentially improving both battery efficiency and flight stability. DJI may also refine its cooling system for the processor and camera module to handle higher frame rates and 8K video capabilities. The gimbal system may see a redesign as well, allowing for smoother vertical and horizontal transitions, perfect for content creators who want professional-level stabilization without editing. A stronger wind resistance rating is also on the cards, with rumors suggesting it might withstand level 6 winds, a major upgrade for outdoor adventurers. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of the DJI Mini 5 Pro lies in its camera system. DJI has consistently blurred the line between professional drones and compact mini drones, and with the Mini 5 Pro, the gap may nearly vanish. Sensor size: rumors suggest a 1-inch CMOS sensor, or at the very least a larger than previous 1/1.3-inch sensor. Resolution: still photos could go up to 48 MP or 50 MP, offering crisp detail for both photography and large prints. Video: support for 8K video at 30 frames per second, alongside 4K at 120 frames per second slow motion and 10-bit D-Log color profiles. Low light capability: a wider aperture lens, possibly f/1.7, could dramatically enhance low-light shooting, perfect for sunset or night cityscapes. HDR and smart shooting: